All right, guys, we're still on lesson 1.3. We're talking about precision and accuracy in calculations. So let's see what that means. So comparing accuracy and precision in measurements. Definitions that you need to know. Accuracy is the closest of a measurement value to the actual value. And precision is the level of detail of a measurement determined by the smallest unit or fraction of the unit that can be reasonably measured. All right, so accuracy and precision. All right, accuracy is the closest to the value. Precision is the level of detail. All right, so let's look at example 1. It says, examine the targets shown to understand how accuracy and precision compare. The bullseye represents the actual correct value. So if you've seen a bullseye before, the bullseye is here in the center of the target. So when you throw darts, you want to hit the center of the target. So because these are all spread out, these darts are not close to each other and only one is close to the center. They're saying this is both low accuracy and low precision. All right, over here, this says it's low accuracy, but high precision. So the low accuracy is because you want it to be at the bullseye. You can see that none of the darts are close to the bullseye. High precision comes because these are kind of all clustered together. So even though they're not at the bullseye, they're all kind of grouped together. This one is high accuracy, but low precision. Okay. And then the fourth one has a question mark. These are all kind of centered around the center here. And so we're going to look at this and see what would be the description for the image with the question mark. Select all that apply. So you can see that these are all close to the target. So we can say they're accurate. And they are precise as well because they're all kind of clustered together. So we're going to choose high accuracy and high precision. You can follow along, I believe, and you can do this as well. All right, moving on down. Justify the 3 labels on the target by matching the evaluations on the left to the descriptions on the right. All right, so we go back to the definition. Just scroll back up and real quick. Accuracy is the closest to the value of the actual value, and precision is the level of detail of the measurement. All right, so we can look here and we can say we've got low accuracy, low precision, high accuracy, and high precision. So on this side it says darts are all close to the bullseye. So that's going to be high accuracy. Darts are all close to the bullseye, so those are accurate throws. All right, so let's see. Darts are all close together, so I'm kind of skipping down here. The ones that are close together have high precision. So we're going to check those. And then low accuracy would be the one with darts that are not close to the bullseye, because if they're accurate, they are close to the bullseye. So if it's low, that means they're not. And then low precision would be darts that are all spread out. So what you're doing is just using the definition to make sure that you understand what precision and accuracy is. All right, I hope that helps a little bit with this definition. Again, make sure these definitions are in your notes.